Let's start with Apple, arguably the most influential tech company of the 21st century. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Apple's not just designing products, they're designing experiences. And it all starts with something far more powerful than hardware. It starts with a vision. It's easy to look at the iPhone, the iPad, or the Apple Watch and think, they must have known this would work. But the truth is, Apple's innovation process is all about breaking the mold. Their secret? Simplicity. Apple's design philosophy is based on an obsessive focus on the user. From the first iPod to the latest MacBook, Apple asks one simple question: how can we make this feel like an extension of you? That's why each product is meticulously refined, not just by engineers, but by designers, visionaries, and psychologists, working in harmony to craft an emotional experience. But here's the thing: Apple doesn't fear failure. They embrace it. After all, they didn't invent the smartphone, we did. They just made it better, more intuitive, and let's face it, addictive. And they did that by always staying hungry for more. But what happens when you're not satisfied with just being good enough? What happens when you see a problem in the world and you refuse to accept the status quo? This is where Tesla comes in. Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a mission to revolutionize energy, transportation, and ultimately our planet. And it all comes down to one man's obsession with solving what seemed like an impossible problem: sustainable energy. But here's the real kicker. Tesla doesn't just innovate in the traditional sense. They don't wait years to perfect their products. Instead, they push out prototypes, learn from them, and improve constantly. Their iterative development process is a game changer. While traditional automakers are focused on perfecting cars, Tesla's focused on making the car smarter every single day. Imagine this. You buy a Tesla today, and by the time you wake up tomorrow, your car could be faster, safer, and more efficient, all thanks to a simple software update. That's the future of innovation, and Tesla is leading the charge. But what if I told you that there's a company that's innovating in a whole different arena? A company that's literally taking us to the stars? Enter SpaceX, where failure is not a setback, it's just a stepping stone. Think about it. How many companies do you know that send rockets to space, fail spectacularly, and then launch again, with even more ambition? SpaceX has redefined how we think about risk and reward. For them, innovation isn't about avoiding failure. It's about learning from it and adapting faster than anyone else. SpaceX doesn't wait for the perfect solution, they move forward with urgency. And that means sometimes things blow up, literally. Remember the Falcon 9 rocket test that exploded? It didn't stop them. It fueled them to launch a better rocket, faster. They're changing the game by taking risks that other companies wouldn't dare to. But here's the crazy part. SpaceX's innovation isn't just about sending humans to Mars. It's about making space travel cheaper, more efficient, and yes, reusable. SpaceX has turned rockets into products that can be reused, saving millions and pushing the boundaries of possibility. So we've seen Apple, Tesla, and SpaceX, each of them innovating in their own unique way. But there's one key element they all share. They don't just follow trends, they set them. And they do this by building a culture of collaboration, risk-taking, and relentless iteration. But here's the most important question. What if you applied the same mindset to your own life? What if you stopped waiting for the perfect idea and started creating with urgency, embracing failure, and learning fast? The future isn't just for tech giants, it's for anyone with the drive to innovate. Now imagine a world where the pace of innovation accelerates even further. What if the next frontier of tech, AI, quantum computing, biotechnology, comes faster than we can even imagine? Will the Apples, Teslas, and SpaceXs of the world stay on top? Or will a new wave of startups, hackers, and innovators change everything again? The race is on. If you want to understand what's next in the world of tech, what's coming around the corner, and how you can be part of the innovation that's shaping our future, don't stop here. Check out my next video where we dive into the cutting-edge tech that will change everything. The future is happening now. Are you ready? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's keep exploring together.